What's going on, guys? So since I'm at it, I'm here. I ordered some eyelids for my headlights because I had some prior on my old headlights, but after getting the upgraded LED ones, I ordered some new ones with my color code. I hope it matches, but if not, no big deal. Nothing, no little paint won't fix. And where you can find that, I'll show you guys here in a second. There, if you go down, there's E33, then your VIN, and then the model. And then right below it, right there is going to be your color code. And that's where you can find that. And I'm going to go ahead and knock that down. Got this through Concept Z. Thank you guys for getting it out to me. It's not sponsored, but if you guys got it fast, being here in Alaska, and then being all the way in Arizona. But hey, got here in a couple days. Alright, so obviously first things first, make sure there's nothing corroding the engine bay if you're working on it. So that down. And you want to see where it matches up to. Alright, so green pencil. Double-sided adhesive tape is provided. That's great. Alright, so here's one. This is like driver's side. Cover spot on. That looks great. And passenger side. Alright, so what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean up the headlight, then I'll wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol, let that dry, and then apply it on. Alright, now that I have a smooth, clean surface, I'm gonna set the adhesive strips on there into these, and normally we're gonna put them around this contact on the wall. Be on the inside, and be on the inside, maybe some strips on the outside too, and yeah, we get to it. Alright, so I got the adhesive, I got one on the inside because it's gonna stick onto the inner part of the headlight, and closer to the engine bay, and one up top, and one just around the outside. Contact. Alright, now I'm going to fill out red backing. Alright, here's the headlight, here's the eyelid, match that up with the hood, right there, that's a good fit. That's lining it nicely, and press firmly on it for a good few minutes. So I'm put this camera down and I'll hold it down. Alright, now that that's down, then I get to the other side. And of course I'm going to wipe down the inside too with some alcohol so that there's no debris or anything on it. Alright, so I think it turned out great. It lines up perfectly here. And on the passenger side, it looks mean. At least I think it does. Thanks for watching. Alright, time to call it a night, guys. So this is where I'm gonna end my night. And peace out. hit like, subscribe. But the sky's not the limit. Go beyond it.